Get ready for a magical adventure. Meet a shiny icicle, and its chirpy bird buddy. Watch as they chat, play, and wait for winter's special surprise. Look! It's the icicle's cozy home. Under the roof, shiny frost covers everything, making it sparkle like magic. The sunlight shines through, making colorful patterns on the icicle. It looks like a see-through carrot, all shiny and special. See the icicle and the bird? They're talking and playing together. The bird chirps happily, and the icicle shines with excitement. They have their secret, drop drop, and ping ping, greetings. It's like they're best friends, having so much fun. Now, it's getting warmer. And look at the bunnies. They're all golden and playful. But the icicle looks sad, staying in one place. While everything's happy and colorful, the icicle seems a bit lonely. Oh, the bird can't find the icicle. It's flying everywhere, calling out ping ping, ping ping. The bird looks worried, trying to find its friend. Here comes the golden sun. It's so wise and warm. It talks to the bird, telling it about nature. The sun says, the icicle melted, but will come back next winter. Hey buddy. Just like the icicle, things change and go away, but they always come back. Even if it melts, it's not gone forever. See you in the next snowy adventure.